Good licks are forever, and in today's video you'll learn 5. This is Mixolydian, and what I like about this one is that it gets the Mixolydian flavor without sounding like you're running the modal. The bends are doing that. Those half-cut bends give it the phrasing. Push and pull, you know. Take them out and it's a different thing completely. There's also a pedal steel feel in there, the bendings going up and down. Let's break it into 2 sections so it's easier to learn. Section number 1. Section number 2. I've always admired players who can shred and play melodically in the same solo. Joe Satriani, John Sykes, that's the idea behind this one. This one is in A minor. It starts with a sweep and ends melodic. The sweep on its own is just a sweep, the melodic line on its own is just a melodic line. Putting them together in the same phrase is what makes it work. Let's break this one down. First the sweep. On the second string you do a hammer on. In the second section, the melodic one, slides. Vibratos. 3 left, and quick question while we're here. How do you relate to your own licks? Do you love them? Are you tired of them? Do you hate them? Do you love to hate them? Do you hate to love them? Please tell me in the comments. This one is in the key of D minor. And the note that makes it interesting is the 6th, that in D minor is B. It's more or less the same idea as lick 1. You get the Dorian flavor without it sounding like you're running the mode. Let's break this one down. This one's mostly sextuplets. That means 6 notes per beat. 2 left, and these are the reason I made this video. This one is all about the swing feel, the triplet feel. It's what takes a boring lick and makes it fun. The notes aren't anything special, minor pentatonic with an added 6th. The swing is the whole thing. Easy to play, hard to get it right, but once you get it, it changes how you approach everything. Let's break this one down. Let's divide it into 2 sections. Section number 1. You see? Da 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 da. The swing feel, the triplet feel, that's what matters. And section number 2. Now together. Lick 5 is all about contrast. Lick number 5 is all about contrast. It's in the key of C. It starts major and ends minor. Major sound before the bend. Minor sound after. On paper, those two shouldn't sit in the same phrase, but in the right place at the right time, they do. Let's break it down. There's one thing that is tricky. There's a sweep here, but you have to jump one string. The licks that slot straight into what you already play don't move you anywhere new. The ones that don't fit are the ones that will actually change how you play. Pick one, play it slow, get the shape under your fingers, then leave it alone for a day and come back to it. That's how you actually build vocabulary. You play it, you move on, and it starts showing up in your playing on its own. You got 5 new licks, none of them comfortable yet, none of them yours yet, but at some point one of them is just going to come out while you're playing something, and you're going to stop and think, where did that come from? That's it. That's the whole point of this video. And if you want to keep learning new licks, this is the video that you have to watch. I'll see you there.